this is your living area. So you're going to be getting the flat is your kitchen, a very spacious kitchen where you will be getting two sides. So this is the master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Siddhivinayak Aura by Bharat Vinayak Developers. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the sales office. And behind me is the actual tower. Have a look at the tower. You may also have the look at the neighborhood. This road directly leads you to Western Express Highway. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly with builders. So now buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Now let's talk about project overview. This project is made on a land parcel of 1.5 acres with 1 tower, ground plus 29 floors with a configuration of 1 and 2 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has basic amenities like kids play area, gym, indoor games and many more. Talking about connectivity, this project is located in Mahajanwadi with Western Express Highway at a distance of just 3 minutes, metro station at a distance of just 5 minutes, Mira Road railway station at a distance of just 5 to 7 minutes, school, college, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometers. Now let's go check the sample flat out. So now let's do the actual flat tour with an area of 682 square feet. It's a 2 BHK. As we enter, this is your living area. So you're going to be getting the flat as it is with vitrified tiles. So you can easily place your sofa over here and this can be your TV unit. Here you will get attached French window. Have a look at it. Moving ahead, this is going to be your dining space. So a good amount of space is given for your dining area. Easily 6 to 8 seater of dining space can come over here. As we move ahead, to my right hand side is the kitchen. Come, let's have a look. This is your kitchen, a very spacious kitchen where you will be getting two sides of parallel platform and cabinets. You can easily place cabinets over here. There's good amount of storage for your cabinets over here. This is going to be a washing machine space right besides the platform. So they have taken care of it with an electricity board given as well. This is going to be your refrigerator area where you can easily place your double door refrigerator. Here also there's space for you to store something. Moving ahead, this is going to be your common washroom. Have a look at it. A quite spacious common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Check out the space. So there's storage space here above the washroom for you to store your tank, water tank. Moving ahead, this is your first bedroom. Have a look at it. So this is the master bedroom. Look at the space in this room, guys. Right here is your wardrobe area. So it's inside the wall, so your actual space does not get disturbed. So this is a very good part. We get attached French window as well in this room. Check out the attached washroom. Again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting, a quite spacious attached washroom. Moving ahead to our last bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey provides you with actual location tour, actual project videos and sample flat videos, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes and 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book your free site visit today with us. Now come, let's check out the last bedroom. So this is your last bedroom, a square shaped bedroom, quite spacious. Easily you can place your king size bed and still there will be so much of walkable space. So this is your common bedroom. Your right here can be your wardrobe area. So this whole wall you can dedicate for your wardrobe. Again, you will be getting attached French window in this room as well with an open view. So this was the 2 BHK actual flat video of Siddhivinayak Aura by Bharat Vinayak Developers. To get more information about this project, don't forget to check the comment section. And to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also, do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.